Alright guys, so if you've missed my previous top 5 coins that are ready to pump where I shared with you Paal AI, and since then it's done a 2x, or Fetch AI that I shared previously on that challenge where I got into Fetch AI, and it's now as well up 2x. The challenge is doing great and the coins that I've shared previously are as well pumping. A lot of people missed those coins, so if you missed these coins, today's video is for you. And the last coin I'm gonna share in this video is a new crypto gem on that AI narrative. As we've seen now, Fetch AI just hit $1. So if you do find this interesting, guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. As usual, guys, this is not financial advice, this is my humble opinion. So with that said, guys, let's get into it. Now we just seen, if you haven't heard yet, Fetch AI is almost close to its previous all-time high. Now I've been talking about Fetch AI since I started YouTube basically, and I even talked about it on my Twitter. As you can see here, I've shared it along with PYR and other coins, and most of them now on my personal portfolio are doing fantastic, and my bags are mooning, and a lot of people missed. And that is why I do share those videos on YouTube, because I know back in the day I would see YouTube videos and I would not really do anything about it, and I needed to see many videos about the same coins over and over to believe on those coins. So it does take time, so don't beat yourself up if you keep missing out on these coins. Now guys, what's the next Fetch AI? That's the question here. So that's the first coin I'm gonna share with you here, guys. Now there is Singularity Net, or AGIX. It as well pumped, so you are as well late on that one. But there is the last one here, guys, and I do think this is the last chance. This is the last coin that basically is on the same trend, the same AI bullshit narrative and whatnot. Either you believe on it or not, because you know, guys, the crypto space is all about the narrative, and if people do believe something is about something, they do buy it. So RLC is an AI coin. It's listed on Binance, listed on major exchanges, Coinbase and whatnot. So it got access to a lot of people, a lot of liquidity, and now it's kind of breaking out, possibly do the same thing as Fetch AI. And I do think it's gonna rally now. As recently we've seen Paal AI, Fetch AI, all these AI coins, they've done pretty amazing. So it seems like the AI narrative is just gonna keep growing, and we've seen recently OpenAI releasing Sora, which is a video generator AI and whatnot. So I do think the next coin, guys, as well is big time. This is a metaverse game, and it's listed on Coinbase, and in fact it got launched on Coinbase. A lot of people were surprised by that, as usually Coinbase doesn't really double down on those fresh launches and low market cap coins, but that happened. Now we can see big time just broke out of this recent downtrend. It's been going on for 2 months, almost 3 months now, and it's breaking out and finally going on the daily above that 21-day EMA, which is a bullish sign. You can see that now officially the trend has changed, and now it's going on a higher high, higher lows trend, which is an uptrend, different from that downtrend that it's been going on for a while. Now I do think this is changing, and we can target the previous highs here easily. We could see that big time going for those highs, as now the hype and narrative are coming back. So I do think in the following months, or this month, big time is gonna be that guy or that metaverse coin that's gonna see some massive rallies. Now keep in mind, guys, I do have my favorite metaverse games like S-Fund or PYR that I keep investing into, that are those beta plays that I do think are gonna be those safe plays to hold for the bull market, or to hold throughout the bull market. Now big time is one of them as well. Now recently you've seen, guys, I started this challenge to show you guys how I do things, and I started it 2 weeks ago, and now it's up $100 from $1,000, which is about a 10%. And previously we bought $100 of PYR, which is up now 15% or $15 in profit. Fetch AI up $51 in profit. Paal AI we bought $50, now it's around $80, which is a $33 in profits. ApeCoin now still lagging. I do think ApeCoin would fit pretty well in today's video, as I still think this has a long way to go. It's still gonna have to rally. Now it's only up $6 from that $50 invested, or 3% from that video, which was the previous video. Now in today's video, guys, we could still add $50 of a gem, or a crypto gem, that I'm gonna share with you later on in this video. So anyways, guys, now the next one, guys, is Orbs Network. This one as well well got listed recently on those perpetual or future trading contracts on Binance and Bybit, which is bullish, as well as on BankX. Now, when it comes to the spot trading, still listed on OKX, HTX, not yet listed on major exchanges, which I do think now, since it got listed on perpetuals on Binance and Bybit, it's gonna be a matter of time before it gets listed on spot, which is a bullish sign, as well as it has a low market cap relatively to the market today, which is around $127 million. And the charts as well are looking pretty decent, as we can see here, guys. It's around the support, a pretty decent support, and pretty bullish if it does get listed on Binance and Bybit on that spot exchange. So you want to keep in mind, or you want to keep an eye on Orbs Network. This is pretty bullish. I started also buying this for my personal portfolio. We're gonna add $50 of Orbs on the challenge today just to keep track on it and see how it's gonna perform in the future. The next coin, guys, is still ApeCoin. As I've shared it with you guys on the previous video, I do still think this is going for that 2.62. Now, since I shared it on the previous video, it went higher, and I do think it's gonna keep pumping as a metaverse coin, and it's related to the Bored Ape Yacht Club, if you do know about that. And I do think now that the market is bullish, a lot of celebrities are gonna come back to the crypto space. They're gonna start talking about the crypto space, and they're gonna look at their previous NFTs, and most of them got into that Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs. And if they do start talking about those, you can bet that ApeCoin is gonna start massively ripping up. That's why I am actually buying more of that on my personal portfolio. And I do think as soon as we're gonna see celebrities coming back to the market, NFTs coming back, and those celebrities talking about Ape Yacht Club and stuff like that, this thing is gonna keep riding. But the charts speak for themselves, guys. It's still pumping. It's still, since it's broke out, it's still going up. So we're still holding it as well on the challenge. Now to today's gem. Now, you know, guys, if you come to my channel, we're talking about meme coins, we're talking about low market cap coins. You came to the trenches, you've missed large market caps, and you came over here to look for those small caps, those disgusting little coins that could deliver those 100x's and more, and those meme coins and whatnot. So here today, guys, we got Agent X, or AIX. Now, this is a new kid on the block on that AI scene, since we've seen Fetch AI and everything like that. So just prepare yourself to see so many AI coins appearing, and so many old projects from 2020 or from 2019 rebranding to being AI coins. Now, it seems this thing is not dying off. We're in 2024. OpenAI just launched Sora, that video editor or whatnot, video generative AI. So the hype is just gonna keep going, and AI are not gonna stop. And most importantly, the retail and most of the crowds and most of the people, the normies, are still out there not caring about crypto. And once they're gonna come back, guys, they are gonna do the exact same thing that people are doing today, following the hype, like with meme coins and AI coins and whatnot. Now, you know, guys, where I stand with those fundamental coins. To me, they are all meme coins. Bitcoin or ETH or Cardano or AI coins, meme coins, metaverse coins, they are all meme coins, because most of these coins have no intrinsic value. They do not solve any big problems or issues with the world. The only thing they are here for is a vehicle, or a gambling vehicle, for us to speculate on and make some money and try to guess what most people are gonna think, and front run them and buy before they do and sell before they sell. And basically that's the name of the game. Does not matter what any coin promises you. The most important is that people think it is doing what it said is doing. So AIX, or Agent X, why I chose that coin, because it's trending on Twitter, and big Twitter influencers, I'm talking 600k, 500k followers and stuff. These influencers, usually when they start talking about those low cap coins, they keep talking about them. Doesn't matter why they do that, but the thing is, when they talk about those coins, they keep pumping. That's the reason, because we live in an attention economy, and if attention is going toward a coin, usually the coin does pretty decently. And Agent X, or AIX, and that is as well AIT, but for today we're gonna choose AIX because I like it more, because the total supply or self-reported circulating supply is 100%, which means there are no VCs, no disgusting pre-sales going on, nothing like that. Just your day-to-day investor on these AIX coin, on that AIX coin. That's why I chose this coin. I'm gonna start adding it as well on my stack, and we're gonna add as well to the challenge. We're gonna add that AIX. This one, as I said, now is pretty trending, and I do think it's gonna keep trending in the future when more people are gonna join in the space. Possibly AI Gen X is gonna get picked up, and as I said, pretty decent tokenomics. But as I said, guys, it's all risk. If you're in the crypto space, I hope you do understand that everything is risky, and I hope you understand as well that not taking risk will not get you anywhere. So where you can buy this coin now, so far it's only on Uniswap v2, so you can get it from that Uniswap. You all know the drill. You gotta get some ETH, get that MetaMask, and get you some AIX. I do think it could get listed pretty soon on some major exchanges. So we're gonna add $50 on AIX, and we're gonna add it as well on that portfolio tracker to keep track on it. We're gonna see how it's gonna perform now. And as you can see, guys, I got it on that Omega plays, which usually, for those that do not know, those Omega plays serve as those high multipliers where we make those quick gains, those large gains that we pour into the beta plays, and as soon as the beta plays starts rallying, we pull them on those alpha plays. Now, so far here on the challenge, guys, we got LBK, which is the BONK coin, which basically now I'm bullish on it because in the previous bull market there was KuCoin, which was the go-to exchange for those low market cap shit coins. When everyone missed those large caps at the end of the bull market, everyone started jumping onto those low cap coins, and the major exchange that back then that provided those coins was KuCoin, and KuCoin had their own coin that rallied up to $1.5 billion in its market cap. And today BONK is standing at that spot where it could be the next KuCoin, and they do have their own coin and standing only at $2 million in its market cap. Now it is gonna be kind of last coin to rally as soon as we're gonna have that hype and peak euphoria in the bull market, and people gonna miss out on most of the alpha and beta plays. They're gonna jump onto BONK. That is why it's here, just in case it rallies before that. So we got only $50 for the challenge on that, but we can see they are lagging with Fire as well, lagging. So we're gonna keep monitoring, especially Fire. If it does not do anything special during the following weeks, we might get rid of it and try to look into some other coins. Now, as I said, guys, this challenge is just to show you guys how I do things, how I operate, as I see a lot of people are not well equipped for this bull market, and many people are just chasing hype and whatnot. So today now, guys, so far we have now Orbs added as a beta play, and we have AIX as that Omega play. So we're gonna keep monitoring those. As I said, now any coin that does not perform we get rid of, and we keep the good performers or the high performers. Now we can see Fetch AI, one of the best performers. PYR is still lagging. We might even add more. If Fire does not really deliver this following weeks, we can add that into PYR. Now Paal AI is still doing great. Now if I see it pulling back, which is important, now Paal AI has shown some decent strength. If I see it pulling back here toward that previous high or previous all-time high, that's 22 level, 22 cents, I'm gonna add more here personally, and as well for the challenge. Now guys, I do think we're gonna wrap it up here. I'd love to hear your opinion as well in the comment section. You can join my Discord, link in the description. It's free to join if you want a more in-depth, or if you want to ask me any more questions. I'll leave you the link there, and don't forget to check the description if you are looking into some hot affiliate deals for crypto exchanges like BingX, BONK, FairDesk. No KYC, no VPN exchanges. Check that out on that description. And don't forget, as usual, guys, nothing is financial advice. This is my humble opinion. And thank you so much for hanging around here today, watching this video till the end. Wish you the best, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.